In my years of urgent care in the Rogue Valley, there's a huge need for bilingual, everybody, nurses and doctors and X-ray techs are certainly one of those groups. And there's been a tremendous need in the last number of years for X-ray techs. We just can't find enough of them. So this was just a win-win.
I've always been interested in sciences, medical field, things like that, but I just never really jumped into it. Raising a family, you gotta put your financials in other places that that are a little bit more of a priority. So this grant definitely opened up the door for me to explore this different route of education for myself.
So when they're in there, we have a really good environment. We're developing a great relationship, and we're just kind of having fun. They're practicing positioning. We have an X-ray room in the classroom. As they do that more and more, you can just see their confidence shooting through the ceiling. They can see a brighter future, better direction, and somewhere specifically they can go and they can achieve it, whereas maybe without this grant, they may not have been able to afford the program.
So great news is we're going to be opening up for the next cohort, which is going to start in January. So watch for some information this fall. It's forthcoming. If you think you're interested at all, come to one of our informational sessions, ask all the questions you want, and I will put this out. If you want to contact us and you'd like to sit in class some afternoon and kind of get a taste of what it's like, we would welcome that.
So if there's anybody that's worried about jumping back into school or jumping back into some sort of structured program, I would say that it's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. And I think a big part of that has to do with the people that we're working with here and the culture that we build in the classroom too. So definitely just don't be scared to jump at the opportunity if it's something that is piquing your interest.